What do you get when you combine gold and steel? You get two-tone, and that's what Omega did. They are expanding their Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch collection with two new watches. One is the one with stainless steel and Moonshine gold, and the other one is stainless steel with Sedna gold. It's not the first time that Omega combines steel and gold, of course. Already in the early 80s, they made a Speedmaster from 83 to 86, and again in 87 and 88 in gold and steel. And later on, they did them as well in various special and limited editions. But the watches introduced now are part of the regular Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch collection. So they also share all the specifications that are to be found in the regular Speedmaster Professional collection. A 42mm case, a lug-to-lug size of 47.5 and a thickness of 13.2mm. The stainless steel case has a solid gold bezel. There's one in Moonshine and one in Sedna, and the inlay is made of Serra gold, which is Omega's alloy for ceramics and gold, and it does feature the dot over 90. So now we have the Moonwatch in stainless steel with the black dial and the white dial. We have them in full gold, whether that's Moonshine gold or Sedna gold or Canopus gold, which is the white gold alloy. And now we have these two-tone models in Moonshine and Sedna gold. Sedna gold was introduced by Omega in 2012, and it's an alloy that consists of 75% of gold, of course, more than 20% copper and more than 1% palladium. The Moonshine gold was introduced in 2019 with the Apollo 11 limited edition that I have here as well. And Moonshine gold consists of 75% gold, 14% silver, 1% palladium, and a little bit less than 9% copper. Both watches come with the Panda dial configuration. The Moonshine version has a silvery sunbrush dial with Moonshine gold subdials, whereas the Sedna gold version has a Sedna gold sunbrushed dial with 3 black subdials. The indexes on the dial are all made of 18 karat gold. Then, as you can see, the pushers and the crown are also in Moonshine gold and in Sedna gold. Just like the stainless steel and full gold Speedmaster Professional models, the two-tone models also have caliber 3861 inside. It's a chronometer certified movement. The entire watch is master chronometer certified, meaning it's anti-magnetic up to more than 15,000 Gauss, and the accuracy is between 0 and +5 seconds per day. It also means that the watch is guaranteed water resistant to 50 meters, meaning that the Metas organization, they tested and certified this watch to be water resistant to 50 meters, meaning you can really swim with the Speedmaster. But just be careful with operating the chronograph pushers underwater. Don't do it. You have two versions to choose from. If you prefer to have a Sedna gold or rose gold, then I think this one might be more for you. If you prefer yellow gold, then of course there's the Moonshine version. And although I have a Moonshine gold Speedmaster myself, in this case I do prefer the Sedna gold a little bit more. I do prefer the dial on this one. It's a little bit darker. It has the 3 black subdials, and it's just a preference of looks basically. The price for these watches is both the same. It's 15,900 Swiss francs. It's not a limited edition, so it's part of the regular collection. I know, so is the Snoopy and so is the caliber 321, and they are a bit more difficult to get. But I suspect, just like the White Dial Speedmaster, that once production is running, that these watches will be for sale at your Omega boutique or Omega dealer. So with the addition of these two-tone models, Omega has a very broad portfolio of the Moonwatch collection in 42mm, where you will find the black dial, white dial, various models in Moonshine gold, Sedna gold and Canopus gold, and now in each type of gold there's now also one in two-tone. A very complete collection, and there should be something for everyone in there who loves Speedmaster Moonwatches. So what is your take on luxury sports watches in two-tone? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.